Helleson snaps it in from center. Loose puck, Mintyukov for Anaheim. Intercepted. Wyatt Ahmet for the Avs. An odd man rush back the other way. Necas goes wide. Necas drop pass. Pass in front, score! Parker Kelly! And the Avs are on the board.
And again, it's a turnover by the Ducks out of the zone, and Ahmet leads the charge. And you just watch the drive to the outside. Nice little shot on net. And I don't know if Parker Kelly touches it. The way he celebrates with Ahmet, it's almost as if he's saying, hey, that's your goal, bud. And it does. It goes off the foot of Mintyukov.